Ngibingelele kuwe mlaleli, ngiyathemba uyaphila-ke. Mina ngicela kuwe-ke laphana-ke ukuthi-ke uma ngabe usamusha-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke wenze okulungile-ke laphana-ke ungixhase-ke ucindezele-ke ibhathini subscribe nje akubizi imali kumahhala nje okhishwa nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke kwenza ukwazi ukuthi-ke uthole nezinye-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha-ke nje engizoloke ngikulethela zona-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke kusukela-ke manje-ke ukuze ngingakuphuthi lezi ndaba-ke ungawenza-ke njengamanje ukuthi-ke ungixhase ucindezele-ke ibhathini usubscribe njengamanje-ke. Udaba kulethele lona-ke namhlanje-ke laphana-ke lithi-ke esimaziyo-ke laphana-ke kwi-M_K-ke uqavile-ke laphana-ke ubonga inkosi-ke khanyile-ke laphana-ke usenze-ke isimemezelo-ke laphana-ke kanye-ke nozakwabo-ke laphana-ke kwi-Youth League-ke laphana-ke ngokuzokwenzeka-ke mhla zingu-7 September-ke laphana-ke eMlazi-ke. Kodwa-ke angifuni-ke mina ukuthi-ke okuningi-ke wakuzwa ngami. Phela nto nje dlala-ke ividiyo yakhe-ke uzizwele wena-ke ukuthi-ke uthini-ke ngabe-ke isani-ke lesimemezelo-ke lesi-ke. Mina ngicela ukuvana uzwile-ke le video le ungene ema-comment section-ke ufushe uvo lwakho ukuthi wena ucabangani-ke ngalo-ke lolu daba-ke lolu-ke masicazana nebhathini nje usubscribe nje akubizi imali kumahhala nje ukhishwa nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke ke kwenza ukwazi ukuthi uthole nezinye-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha-ke nje zingakuphuthi-ke esiloku siyifaka-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke kusukela-ke manje-ke nawe-ke le video-ke awuyithokozele.
Thank you very much. Igama lami ngingubonga inkosi Gift Education madoda Khanyile. We are coming to you live on the 7th of September in the MK Youth League program eMlazi kwa M Ward 83 Community Hall. We are in Ward 83 Community Hall Mazibuyele eMasebeni Youth Mobilization Program. We are coming there live and direct on the 7th of September 2024. Membership card, your MK will be also on site. Come there for your membership card of MK that will also be on site. Ziakala, we are in, we are live and direct. Thank you very much. Salute.